Have you ever wanted to talk with an AI that understands you and can generate text or code? What if I told you you can do just that with ChatGPT by OpenAI? In this video, we're going to walk through everything you need to know to get started with ChatGPT, from its key features to advanced usage tips. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious about AI, this guide is perfect for beginners. Let's dive in. Key features and access. First, let's talk about what ChatGPT is and how you can access it. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an AI chatbot developed by OpenAI that generates conversational text and code. It's currently free to use, but keep in mind that it's expected to cost around 2 to 4 cents per request in the future. How to access ChatGPT? To start using ChatGPT, simply create an OpenAI account and log in at chat.openai.com. If you're looking for more customization options, you can explore the Playground interface at beta.openai.com/playground, which allows for more advanced interactions. Advanced usage. Now that you know how to access ChatGPT, let's explore some advanced features. Manual controls. ChatGPT offers manual controls, such as setting the maximum character length for responses and the ability to load presets as starting points. You can find examples of these presets at beta.openai.com/examples, which can help inspire your own prompts. Choosing models. The most commonly used model in ChatGPT is DaVinci 003, known for its advanced capabilities. However, if you're using the Playground interface, you have the option to select other models to explore different functionalities and outputs. Practical applications. Now let's discuss some practical applications of ChatGPT. Writing assistance. Whether you're drafting emails, essays, or creative stories, ChatGPT can help brainstorm ideas or even generate entire paragraphs based on your prompts. Coding help. If you're a programmer, you can ask ChatGPT for coding assistance or debugging help. Just provide your code snippet and specify what issues you're facing. Learning tool. Students can use ChatGPT to clarify concepts or generate study materials tailored to their learning needs. Tips for beginners. As a beginner, here are some tips to get the most out of your ChatGPT experience. Be clear and specific. The more specific your prompts are, the better the responses you'll receive. For example, instead of asking, "Tell me about history," try "Summarize the causes of World War I." Experiment with prompts. Don't hesitate to try different types of questions or commands. The versatility of ChatGPT means it can handle a wide range of topics. Use custom instructions. If you're a ChatGPT Plus member, consider using custom instructions to tailor how the AI interacts with you based on your preferences. This feature allows you to set guidelines for tone and style. In conclusion, ChatGPT by OpenAI is an incredibly powerful tool that opens up a world of possibilities for communication and creativity. With its user-friendly interface and advanced features, it's perfect for beginners looking to harness the power of AI. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update on AI tools. Have you tried using ChatGPT yet? Share your experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think.